like this curriculum. It's fun and we get to work in groups. So if I have trouble on a problem, I could ask my friends that are in my group if they could help.
We did a lot more partnering. We did a bunch of gallery walks, which we never did in second grade, and it helps us because we're learning from others. We also did a lot of math games.
Something I have done differently in math this year has been to give different reasons, and in those reasons we share and talk with others. This has been helpful to learn different ways of doing math from other people. We do this thing where we can write on our desks to show our thinking, and then we do a gallery walk. It makes us see what others are thinking and lets us see other ideas and think differently.
I did not know that we could do multiplication to get a division answer. I always thought we just had to do long division. There isn't really a term good at math, but if you can explain how you got your answer, I'd say you're good at math.
The new shift is you do, they do, we do, or we can say we discuss. This is evident in every lesson in illustrative math. The kids are working through problems on their own, with partners, and then as a class. With this set in place, I see more kids solving problems without giving up and solving problems in more than one way by talking them out.
It really makes me as a teacher not show so much. So I'm really requiring the kids to come up with the reasons, the answers, and explain how and why they got those.
Students have a much better understanding of what they're actually doing. They're not just following a process to get an answer and not really knowing where that answer came from. They're truly understanding how they're breaking these numbers apart and using them.
The student discourse has been huge in this program. It encourages all students to listen and respond to others in partners, groups, whole class, and even student to teacher. As far as problem solving, the students are the ones doing the problem solving to learn mathematics. The warm-ups, the activities, the lesson synthesis, and the cool downs allow kids to question, wonder, think deeply, and explain their thinking. They are solving problems without giving up. They are using what they already know to solve problems. And the best part is that the kids truly like it. This is truly one of the best programs that I've seen in Shakopee.
Students are multiple times a day talking with each other or in either pairs or small groups to solve problems. I often change them daily, that they might have a small group of 2 or 3, and then also they can come up with their own strategies, their own reasons that they've solved something, and then we call it like a teacher talk, where they get to tell us why they did it or how they did it. It really has worked well with the AFL strategies, where they are finding strong versus weak.